Still juggling 5 different apps just to find one person to help? Yeah, we've all been there. Endless calls, unread messages, and a whole lot of waiting just to get one job done. Whether it's a quick repair, a weekend cleanup, or a full-on renovation, most people are stuck doing it the hard way, asking around, hoping for a response, and then chasing the one guy who might be free next week. That's why we built something better. It's called Post Your Project on Handy Banjo. Tell us what you need just once. One post. That's it. And instantly, verified professionals nearby get notified. They send you bids. You compare. You choose who fits best. Simple. Now, here's why this changes the game. Because you're tired of repeating yourself over and over. Because you deserve control. You pick who works on your job, not the other way around. Because every professional on Handy Banjo is pre-screened, rated, and reviewed. No guesswork. No blind trust. And because your time is way too valuable to waste chasing people down. So take 30 seconds. Post your first project, skip the stress, and let Handy Banjo bring the right hands to your job right when you need them. Handy Banjo, your trusted partner in in-person services. Your project is waiting. Go ahead, post it.